Hey, g'day and welcome back. I'm heading up to Sydney to the Everything Electric show. It's an electric car show, but they do have electric motorcycles on display and you can take them out for a test ride. Now, I'm running a bit of a risk because whenever I post anything to do with electric motorbikes on my YouTube channel, I lose subscribers. But I want to answer the question, are electric motorcycles ready for us or are we ready for them?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and a really big warm welcome to Everything Electric 2024. We are so thrilled to be here. My name is Robert Llewellyn, I'm the founder of the Fully Charged Show, but my goodness me, I just want to really underline the fact that I am not the organiser of the event. Because if I was, you'd all be standing up in a quarry at the wrong side of Sydney. God knows what, it would have been an absolute disaster.
I don't want to use the term niche, just lower numbers. It's really more consistent. The price is also the bad, I guess, in the weight and the distribution. The weight you can obviously get further. Pretty great. But then you can't also have your rapid charge. It's one or the other. We recommend people the rapid charge or the rapid tank. There's a white forest finish.
Good, thanks.
That's good. So once the key is on,
Yep.
and the kill switch is down and the side stands up, the bike's live.
Right.
So every time you're not riding, obviously kill switch off and obviously side stand down.
Yep.
You'll know when it's live, side stand up, and kill switch on. It'll give you a green light at the top, so that's
Okay.
obviously you ready to go. Mostly similar to every other motorcycle. Well, not that you need a switch box today, I guess. Throttle, front brake, rear brake. No gears, no clutches.
Yep.
You've got a couple of different modes,
Yep.
so it's in sport at the moment. You can change it if you like and go down or up or anything like that.
Leave it at sport
Yep,
for now.
perfect,
Yeah.
no problems at all. Well, there you go, jump on,
Have a
switch
go.
off, yeah, absolutely.
What could go wrong?
Nothing at all, you can enjoy it, that's what.
Cool. Okay. Rightio, so when that's on, that goes green.
Yep, click that on, you're now live.
Live, okay.
Now you've got that, yeah.
Alright, thank you. Pretty quick.
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, definitely a lot of fun, very quick, very nimble, very light.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I didn't give it the full throttle,
Yep,
but no, she flies all right.
yeah, absolutely.
Can I have a go on one of the others while I'm
You
here?
can jump on that one now, you can jump on this one if you like.
Yep. There you go.
You're good, you're obviously key on.
Yep.
Dead live, once your fuel switch is down, you got your green light on.
Rightio.
No, you want to like closest to what I was looking at. Oh, yeah, yep. more on that one.
You got a faster one?
Good fun.
No, that's brilliant.
Absolutely. Lots of fun, nimble, light.
Yeah.
Fun, yeah.
What do they say the specified range of the larger models are?
260 to 280, depending on the factors.
Yeah. Okay. So that's what 14.4 was that kilowatt hours? Or?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
The bigger engines they're all getting upgraded to 17.3s,
Right.
which is quite good. They're an older generation engine compared to not that one, the other one.
Yeah.
Inside, so they're all getting upgraded to 17.3s. Yeah.
Brilliant. Oh, that's magic. I appreciate that. Thanks very much.
No, that's okay, mate.
Good on you. It's fascinating to see what difference a year makes since the Everything Electric show last year, where I got to ride the Italian Energica, which at the time was selling for $50,000. Now the Zero motorcycles are back in Australia through Peter Stevens Motorcycles, and they're under the $50,000 mark. So prices are trending down, and I personally think electric motorcycles in Australia are ready for mainstream now. It's just a matter of getting that price performance down so they become a bit more affordable, like the very early electric vehicle motor cars. Anyway, keep an eye on this space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and let's ride.